HistoPro 2430 slide stainer is a fully automated, easy-to-use slide stainer for histopathology and cytology labs. HistoPro 2430 allows for staining of up to 4 slide racks with same or different staining protocols. It provides a self-contained fume extraction hood and charcoal filter. HistoPro 2430 can also be connected to a central fume extraction system with an optional adapter. HistoPro 2430 slide stainer is designed and manufactured in the USA since 2012. HistoPro 2430 has 24 reagent stations. One station is dedicated as the load station, and one station is dedicated as the unload station. The user places up to 30 slides in a slide rack in the load station. When the staining program is completed, HistoPro 2430 stainer places the completed slide rack in the unload station. The reagent container holds 350 microliters of reagent. HistoPro 2430 also has 2 running water rinse stations. One or both running water rinse stations can be converted into a regular reagent station by removing the rinse station and replacing it with a regular reagent container. HistoPro 2430 has 2 separate water inlets, one for each rinse station. 2 inlets allow the user to connect one of the stations to a tap water source while connecting the other station to a DI water source or to a special rinse buffer if desired. Alternatively, both rinse stations can be connected to a single water source by using an optional Y-connected rinse water inlet tubing set. HistoPro 2430 stainer provides an 8-line by 20-character display with a 20-key membrane keypad for easy programming, review, and access to critical parameters. The user can store up to 15 staining programs, each with up to 35 steps. Each step will be programmed with its station number, station time criticality, agitation, and exit speed of the rack. Station numbers do not need to be sequential, and a rack can come back to the same station. Station time for each station can be set to any desired time, and station times do not need to be the same. If a station is programmed as a critical time station, the station time will not get extended while running multiple racks. Station times for the non-critical time stations may be extended to improve the throughput of the system while running multiple racks simultaneously. It should be noted that when a single rack is running, the station times for all steps are same as programmed and not extended. The user can select if the reagent will be mixed by multiple dips at the beginning of a step. Number of dips will be selected in a utility function, and the user simply selects if the slide will be dipped multiple times before starting the station time. Normal exit speed allows the slide rack to be removed from a reagent station at a speed that minimizes reagent carryover by pulling the reagents with surface tension. Fast exit time provides a better station time control for the stations with shorter processing duration or with critical times and reagents. Running a slide staining program is started by first placing a slide rack to be stained in the load station. Once the slide rack is placed in the load station, press the Run key and select the program number to be used. When the staining is completed for the rack, it will be placed in the unload station. The user can add up to 3 additional racks, one at a time, by placing a rack at the load station when empty, pressing Run key, and selecting the program for the new rack. It should be noted that different programs can be run simultaneously, provided that reagents are in place for all programs. HistoPro 2430 stainer facilitates saving on special stains with optional reagent containers with partitions to minimize stain use. An optional 3-compartment reagent container needs 150 milliliters of reagent for staining up to 10 slides in an optional 10-position slide rack. Adapters for 20-position slide racks made by Sakura and/or Leica are available for easy transfer of slides to cover slippers made by the respective company. HistoPro 2430 is designed with reliability and serviceability at every phase of the design. Proven electronics and mechanical designs from other products developed at Rushab Instruments have been incorporated in the design where possible, and system subassemblies are designed for easy access for service and replacement when that is necessary to minimize the downtime. We thank you for your time in learning more about the HistoPro 2430 stainer. Please do not hesitate to contact us or your distributor if you have any questions.